Kipware conversational CNC programming is like driving a sports car, while CAD/CAM is akin to driving an older car. Let's break it down. First, let's take a look at Kipware conversational CNC programming software. Speed. Like a sports car, Kipware conversational is agile and quick. It allows programmers to create CNC toolpaths directly without relying on complex software. Flexibility. Just as a sports car can swiftly adapt to different road conditions, Kipware Conversational enables quick adjustments and modifications to machining operations on the fly. Intuitiveness. Similar to how a sports car's controls are designed for a seamless driving experience, Kipware Conversational's interface is user-friendly, allowing operators to input machining parameters without extensive training. And finally, efficiency. Sports cars are engineered for high performance. Likewise, Kipware Conversational optimizes machining processes for efficiency and productivity. Now let's take a look at CAD/CAM. First, complexity. CAD/CAM systems, like older cars, can be more intricate and require a learning curve to master. They involve designing parts in CAD software and then generating toolpaths using CAM software, resulting in a slow, cumbersome process. Reliability. Just as an older car may require more maintenance and upkeep, CAD/CAM systems require regular updates and troubleshooting to ensure smooth operation. Precision. CAD/CAM systems excel in producing intricate and precise machining instructions for complex parts, and operating them requires extensive training. When simpler parts are involved, the precision and training of CAD/CAM can remove good chipmakers from the programming process. In essence, Kipware conversational CNC programming software offers speed, agility, and simplicity akin to driving a sports car, while CAD/CAM provides the precision and automation capabilities reminiscent of an older car's reliability and complexity. When you're not designing, getting to G-code is so much faster and easier with Kipware Conversational. We invite you to explore more at www.kipware.com.